So my dad came in town, and that always means shopping. So I'm gonna show y'all all because it's a lot. We're starting with my favorite place in the entire world, the Motherland. It was the last day of the spring sale event, so I went crazy, okay? I got this Peter Thomas Ross mask set. I'm most excited about the gold one because, duh. Then we got the Soul Jade, I can't fucking say it. This set, it's my favorite smell they came out with, especially the lotion. The body spray is like meh, but this smells so good, like candy. I got the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This was a very good deal, and I ran out of that so fast. I got this Charlotte Tilbury palette, and it's literally gorgeous. Like, you're kidding me. I don't wear colors like this, but best believe I'm a start. I got the Patrick Ta foundation. I love everything he's ever made, so I'm super excited about this. I'll let you know what I think. I got Gucci bronzer because I've heard really good things, and oh my god, look how bougie the packaging is on this. Like, okay, I'm literally that bitch. Then I got the Makeup by Mario, like, crystal reflector thing. It's just a really pretty white shimmer, and it's not that exciting. Anastasia brow powder. I'm a brow powder queen. Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Serum. The lady convinced me to get this because it's supposed to be, like, really good for, like, irritated skin, and look how cute it is. Like, okay. The lady also convinced me to buy the Murad, Ultimate Moisturizer. I say convinced me. She didn't have to try that hard. Then I got the mini Plump cream and the Glow Recipe toner. I see Gia use this all the time. Gia, if you see this, love you, queen. I got another foundation thing. It's the new Fenty Eavesdrop like stick. It's supposed to be really good for dry skin, which me. The Ordinary Lash and Brow Serum. I have extensions, so I'm really only buying this for the brow part. And then last, this House Labs little mini lip oil set, which was a really good deal. Next, I went to Pink, and I spent enough to get the free tote and blanket, but I don't really think I want to show what I bought, but I got a lot of cute underwear and bras, so you can imagine that, like, so fucking cute. Then the place where I spent the most money, the Basic Bitch store. I got this brown top. It'll be a really good, like, boob moment. That's why I bought it. They had jeans that fit my, like, bony ass. I don't believe it, but they're cute, like, just black jeans. I got this green long sleeve bodysuit. It's really cute, and I figured it'd be good for holidays. This silk black skirt. I'm holding it the wrong way. Also didn't think this would fit me, but it does, and it's so cute and, like, wholesome, which is rare for me. Red sweatpants, because why not? I never see red. Super cute. And the same sweatpants I'm wearing right now, but in gray. They're, like, cargo sweats. These are my favorite ever. Then I got this gray fold-over off-the-shoulder top. Figured it was cute. I don't know. This blue Sweetheart tube top, which is so cute, and I love this color. It's, like, my favorite color to wear. This on, I feel like fucking Kim Kardashian. It's, like, a jumpsuit thing. Oh, my God. It's a slay. I got a lot of tube tops for it being, like, fall, but this black one just screamed me, and I figured I could wear it a lot. Again, another short sleeve, like, corset type of vibe, but so cute, such a slay. And yeah, that was all from Aritzia, but God, the total was scary. And then the last place was Lululemon. My dad actually took the bag with him on accident, but all I got was a one shoulder, like, black bra top, a long sleeve shirt, and socks and underwear, so it wasn't that exciting anyways. But yeah, enjoy my insane haul.